Hi guys, I am Isha Shah and I have created this video to promote author Isha Shah. Isha is the author, inspirational speaker and writer. Till now she has completed her a graduation from the best universities at United States. She is the author, inspirational speaker and writer. Till now she has written 8 titles of her books which are following: Fashion Diaries, Fashionista, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, Mindfulness and Stress Relief, Be a Dreamer, Confidence Produces Strength, Positive Affirmations, Magic of Thinking Big, The Precious Daily Insights, and Give Rise to Faith. You will find all of her titles on Amazon.com website by searching Isha Shah. The spell is AESHASHAH. My today's broadcast is all about create positive difference in the world. Guys, it's about Isha Shah's second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, which targets each and every age group of the peoples, and I'm providing short preview of her second book. May 6. To help yourself, you must be yourself. Be the best that you can be. When you are the cause of an error, memorize from it. Do not be ashamed and move on. The key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. When we attempt to find the greatest in others, we somehow take out the greatest in ourselves. The best way to pay for a lovely moment is to enjoy it. May 7. The greatest solution for those who are scared, alone, or miserable is to go outside. You should go somewhere where your wants can be quiet. You should enjoy alone with the heavens, nature, and God, because only then does one feel that all is as it should be. I am selfish, impatient, and a little insecure. I have misguided judgments. I am unpredictable and at some moments hard to handle. But if you can't handle me at my worst, then you sure as hell don't deserve me at my best. May 8th, the unbeatable counseling I ever got was that consciousness is power and to keep learning. The way to find out if you can trust somebody is to trust them, and when everything is lonely, I can be my best friend. If you have an affirmative attitude and continuously attempt to give your best effort, eventually you will overcome your instant difficulties and realize that you are ready for greater challenges. May 9. Making income is an art and performance is an art, and good business is the great art. One of the best ways to make yourself happy in the present is to recall happy times from the past. Photos are a tranquil memory, and because we frequently tend to take photos of joyful moments, they weight our memories to the highest happiness. If you can't find something to live for, you best find something to die for. At his best, man is the worthy of all animals, discontented and disconnected from constitution and equity. He is the worst. May 10. Good teachers know how to bring out the best in students. One's philosophy is not best expressed in words, it is expressed in the choices one makes. The choices we make are ultimately our responsibility. Knowing your own darkness is the best method for dealing with the darkness of other people. No matter how proficient you are at organizing, the stress never goes. Okay guys, I own nothing of author Isha Shah. Each and every copyrights are under her authority. I purchased her 8 titles, read it and inspired my life, and wanted you guys to do not miss out on reading these beautiful books. You guys will love it. For more info, check link below. See ya guys, take care. I love you all. Have a great moments of your life. May God bless you all. Amen.